So let's see the next question. So the question is we have to find the word with third highest length. So we'll be given bunch of words. We have to find the word with third highest length. Let's see how to do it. To find, so we have to find the word with third highest length. So we have solved similar problem. We had to find some nth highest and nth lowest number in the given array list. So we have to use similar logic here. But first thing is we have to find the first thing which is required is we have to sort this given strings based on length. So there actually we were directly using the sorted functionality out of the box. But here we have to say on what basis we have to sort the string. So let's start the stream here. Next is we have to sort it. So on what basis we have to sort the string? So I'll basically give you two versions of this code. So first one we'll go with this one, of lambda version. So we are taking word 1 and word 2 here, and we have to find the third highest length. Means the array list should be sorted in a descending order. So what we'll do is we can use something called integer but compare. We can compare the length of the second word with the length of the first word. So this will help us to basically sort the array list in the descending order. Okay, so this is standard logic. We are taking two words. You can imagine this is like passing this to compare method. So comparator, compare, you might have heard these methods, right? So in Java 7 world, we used to use that. But in Java 8 world, it's straightforward. You can use lambda. So we'll take two words and we are comparing the lengths. So two words here is like in this. So two words here is like we have this list of words, right? So internally we are passing words here. It will take two words at a time, compare the length, and it will sort based on the descending order. The requirement is we have to find the third highest length. Means first and second highest length is not required. We have to skip that. We know already how to do it. So n minus 1. So 3 minus 1, that is 2 here. We are skipping that. After that, we have to find the first element which comes after that. We have to print it. So maybe we can even print here. That's it. So let me try to run this and show you the result. So we got apple. Apple is the third highest length string. Let's say we want second highest length. Simple. The first one we are skipping and we'll run it. This will give us the second highest length word. So I hope you understood how to basically find the nth highest word in the given array list based on the length here. So is there any other simpler way we can do it? Yes. So this sorted logic, right? We can write it in some more modular way or simpler way. So comparator has something called comparing int. The previous logic was also using comparator only. It was comparing the length of the string, but it was extra code we had to write. But here, what we can do is we can rely on something called string.length, and we need it in a reverse order, means descending order. So I'm just doing it. So I'll explain it here. What I'm doing is comparing the int of the string length. So what it does is it will take same the strings and it will take the length of the string and it will compare, and the result will be in the reversed order. So I hope you understood. It will take every word, compare the with other words. It will take every word, compare with other words using length and reverse the result. After that, rest of the logic is remain same. So this is another way you can do it. Let me run it. So you got it. So let's say you have to find the second highest. Let's say you have to find the third highest. Just make it 2, run it, you will get apple. So I hope you understood how to do it. Like basically, both the logics which I wrote, right, it is related to comparator compare methods only. The first one is more explicit. We had to take the word and mention the length, etc. Here it is. I'm using more library functions here. So this is more simpler. This is how you can do it. So I hope you understood why I did reverse, because by default this comparison happens in ascending order. We want the descending order because we want the third highest length string. So I hope you understood clearly. Let's move on to the next question.